Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some oven jerk chicken. Guys, I'm telling you, this recipe is a delicious recipe. Just take a good look at those jerk chicken and see how yummy it look. You could see that sharp color. I'm telling you guys, this recipe is a must try. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. So stay tuned. So first, I'm gonna start off by seasoning up my chicken. So here I have 4 leg and thigh in that bowl that you see. And guys, I already wash it with lemon and with vinegar. And I also have my jerk wet marinade, and that's 3 spoonful, okay? And I'm also gonna add some vegetable oil, and that's 2 spoon. So I'm just pouring my vegetable oil on my chicken because I want this seasoning to stick on my chicken. So that's the reason why I'm doing it. Then you want to take your hands and you just want to massage it all in your chicken. Make sure all the oil is all over on your chicken. So guys, right there, as you can see, I sliced my chicken because I want all that seasoning to go right inside. So that's the reason why I slice it there. So after I finish oil my chicken, now I'm just gonna take my wet jerk marinade and I'm just gonna pour it all on my chicken. Guys, I normally would blend up like all my herbs, like my spring onions, my thyme, my scotch bonnet pepper, my pimento seed, but to be honest, I just want to do it quick. That's why I'm just using the jerk marinade. But you can always blend up all of your ingredients together, okay? Then you want to take your hands and you can always use your gloves and you're just gonna rub all that jerk marinade all on your chicken. Make sure everything is all covered with the jerk marinade, okay? Because you want your chicken to be nice and full of flavor. So after I finish rub all that jerk marinade on my chicken, now I'm gonna add 1 spoon of browning just to give it a bit of color, okay? So you just want to take your hands and just rub it all together. Just make sure everything is all combined. So now guys, I'm gonna season my chicken. So here I have 1 spoon of jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of everyday seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Then you just want to blend it all together. Just make sure everything is all combined, okay? Then you want to pour some of your seasoning all on your chicken. Don't pour all of your seasoning, guys, because I'm gonna use the rest of it to make my sauce, okay? I don't normally use salt on my chicken or on my meat because the season already full of so much salt, so I try to cut down on the salt, and no one don't want no salt food. So guys, after you had your seasoning, now you're just gonna take your hands and you're just gonna massage all that seasoning right on your chicken, okay? I'm telling you guys, those chicken look so good already. As you can see, it is well seasoning, and that's exactly how you want it. Guys, you can always leave your chicken to marinate for half an hour or even overnight for a better result, okay? So now I'm gonna add my chicken to my baking tray, and guys, as you can see on top I add a grill, okay? And I also gonna add some water to my tray because I want my chicken to be moist. I don't want it to be dried out, so that's the reason why I'm adding the water. And I also oil my grill with vegetable oil because I don't want my chicken to stick. So now, as you can see, I'm gonna add my chicken to my grill. Just make sure, guys, you space it out, okay? And I'm gonna allow it to bake in my oven for at least 40 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. I'm adding my remaining seasoning from the bowl. I'm not gonna waste nothing, guys. I'm gonna add everything. Then after, straight in the oven. So after 40 minutes, that's what my chicken looks like. And guys, I'm telling you, it's looking so yummy already. As you can see, I have a turkey baser. So I'm just gonna fill the liquid that's on the bottom of my chicken. And I'm just gonna pour it all on my chicken, guys. So it's nice and moist, okay? If you don't have a turkey baser, you can always use a spoon, which I think is better, yeah. So guys, now I'm just gonna flip my chicken on the other side, cause you want the other side of your chicken to have that chalk color also. So that's the reason why you need to flip it. It is very important. So now I'm gonna baste it right now with my turkey baster. So that part is nice and moist also. So I'm just gonna put it back in my oven for another 40 minutes and 150 degrees Celsius. So stay tuned. So guys, I just removed my jerk chicken from the oven and that's what it look like. And as you can see, I'm taking a spoon to baste it because that turkey baster is taking too long. The spoon is much better. So guys, just make sure you keep basting it, okay? Because you want your jerk chicken to be nice and full of flavor. And you want it also to be nice and moist. So don't skip that part. So this is gonna be the last time I'm gonna flip my jerk chicken. So guys, make sure you flip it because I want it to brown up a bit more just to get a bit more sharp color, okay? So don't skip this part. Make sure you do it also. So guys, what I did, I just pour my liquid in my container because the turkey baster and the spoon, you know, it's taking too long. So I just pour all my liquid in my container right there. And as you can see, I'm just pouring it all on my chicken because I'm gonna put back my chicken in my oven for at least 20 minutes. So while my chicken is in the oven baking, now I'm gonna make my sauce. So here I have quarter cup of ketchup and I also have 5 spoon of sugar, white sugar. You can always use brown sugar. And I also have quarter cup of pineapple juice. So first I'm just gonna add my pineapple juice. So I'm gonna add my ketchup now. Then you want to give it a stir. Just make sure everything is all combined. So I'm adding my sugar now. And guys, I'm not gonna add all of my sugar because I realize I add too much sugar to my bowl. And as you can see, I'm adding my remaining seasoning from the beginning of the video, okay? Then you want to give it a stir. Just make sure everything is all combined. I'm adding 1 spoon of the jerk wet marinade to my sauce because I want my sauce to be a bit spicy, you know. You don't have to add a lot, okay? Give it a stir. So guys, this is exactly how you want your sauce to be. Not too thick, just a bit runny. So that's perfect. So I just removed my jerk chicken from the oven, and guys, that's what it look like. I'm telling you, just look at the chart color. It look like the real deal. You know when you did Jamaica and you see them a jerk the chicken, this is exactly how it look, guys. I'm telling you, it looks so good. As you can see, I'm gonna add my sauce to my jerk chicken, so I'm just basting it with my brush, and I'm gonna put it back in my oven, guys, for at least 5 minutes, no longer than that. Guys, it looks so good. This recipe is a must try. It is absolutely delicious. So my jerk chicken is finally finished. Hooray! And guys, that's what it look like. As you can see, the sauce is all stick on it, guys, and that's exactly how I want it. I'm just gonna add just a bit more sauce to it, guys, and what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna plate it up for you guys and show you guys how it looks on the plate. Guys, please share this video to your families and to your friends and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for many delicious recipes like these, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So stay tuned. So now I'm just serving my jerk chicken, and guys, I'm gonna have it with some pressed fried plantain. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe for many more videos. Until next time, bye, stay blessed.